What I'm about to reveal to you may seem like an exciting science fiction novel, and although it may sound great, has no basis in reality. Your skull has been torqued, twisted, and distorted since birth. Now imagine, ideally aligning all 22 cranial facial plates in just 60 seconds. Sounds impossible, right? Stick with me to discover how. The human skull of each individual, a complex structure of 22 cranial facial plates, has been torqued and twisted since birth. However, there's an ideal solution to a problem most of you didn't know about, or that it even existed, until watching this video. The Neurological Integration System, or NIS, offers a groundbreaking approach to address these misalignments and much more. NIS is a gentle, non-invasive method that focuses on restoring proper communication between the brain and the body. It's a completely safe and effective approach to healthcare that addresses the root cause of compensations and adaptations within your mind-body complex. Imagine your brain as a sophisticated computer system constantly receiving and sending signals throughout your body. These sensory and motor messages ensure that all your organs and systems are functioning optimally. Now imagine a few disrupted circuits or connections within this system. The result? Miscommunication, errors, and ultimately dysfunction. This is where NIS comes in. By using precise hand contacts on specific points on the body, NIS specialists essentially reboot the brain's communication pathways. These contacts act as intentional, gentle reminders to the brain, prompting it to reassess and correct all misaligned cranial bones and compensated nerve function at the velocity of light. Think of it like resetting your computer to its optimal factory settings. NIS corrects the signaling disruptions in your nervous system, allowing your mind-body complex to function at an unparalleled level you've never experienced before. The process is painless and leads to immediate improvements in various areas, from reduced pain and increased mobility to enhanced clarity and improved performance. Achieving optimum craniofacial symmetry offers a myriad of benefits that extend far beyond just aesthetics. When your craniofacial plates are properly aligned, it liberates the brain from its compressive straitjacket. One of the most noticeable benefits is a calmer nervous system. Proper craniofacial alignment increases arterial blood flow to the brain and accelerates venous blood flow away from the brain. This facilitates a release of pressure, thus emancipating blood, nerve, and lymphatic vessels, promoting a sense of relaxation and well-being. This, in turn, can improve sleep quality, reduce stress levels, and positively boost your emotional state. Beyond the nervous system, ideal skull alignment can also enhance your physical appearance. When your cranial bones are in their prime position, it can lead to a more beautiful and symmetrically balanced facial structure. This results in a more youthful appearance, improved posture, and even a more confident you. Additionally, it enhances breathing and sinus drainage and ensures your glasses will actually sit level upon your face for the first time in your life. Beyond aesthetics. While the aesthetic benefits of NIS are undeniable, the true power of NIS lies in its ability to restore homeostatic control or automation. From enhancing breathing to optimizing the body's natural healing capabilities, NIS offers an unrivaled, holistic approach to health and wellness. Most people experience improvements in respiratory function after an NIS treatment. Misalignments in the skull can affect the nasal passages and restrict airflow, not to mention relaxing multiple muscles, tendons, and ligaments within the cranial facial complex. By gently realigning the cranial facial bones, NIS opens up these passages, making it easier to breathe. This may be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like asthma or sleep apnea. Furthermore, NIS enhances the body's natural healing process. By optimizing nerve communication, NIS helps your body function more efficiently, allowing it to heal and repair itself more effectively at an unequaled speed and time frame. This can be beneficial for those recovering from injuries, managing chronic conditions, and simply maintaining optimal health and vitality. Join us in the movement. Embrace a healthier future. The Neurological Integration System focuses on the body's innate ability to heal and thrive. It offers a holographic and subconscious view into the human organism and represents a paradigm shift in healthcare. It's an extremely gentle yet powerful approach that addresses the root cause of your health issues. By restoring homeostatic control throughout the neural networking pathways, NIS empowers optimal well-being within you like you've never experienced before. Join the global community experiencing this transformative system of healthcare. Embrace a future where health and wellness are within reach. Would it be putting too much pressure on you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to help support the wellness potential of our global family? We are grateful for your support. Thank you.